Hey, it's Justice, Mr. 420, the host of the Cannibology Show and the host with all the smoke, here to give you some tips on the arena. This tutorial demonstrates how easily it is to swap various arena tokens or coins into AVAX. Why is this important? Well, to answer that question easily, you can swap AVAX for USD currency, or you can use your AVAX to invest in the arena token, buy user tickets in the arena, and much more. Warning: this is only a demonstration and nothing said or shown during this video is financial advice. So let's jump right into it. In this tutorial, we will be using the actual Arena website on a computer and we will be using the MetaMask wallet. You can use other wallets like Coinbase or Phantom, but I strongly advise using MetaMask if it is legal in your country because MetaMask is known to work with most coins or tokens as to where some of the other wallets only work with a few of the tokens. Again, this is only a demonstration and nothing said during this video or shown is financial advice. So if you have a MetaMask wallet, and it doesn't matter if you're using the MetaMask website or the MetaMask extension via your web browser, the following steps are the same for either version. Okay, log into your Arena account, and on the left-hand side of the screen, you will see what is considered the main menu where you have Home, Explore, Notifications, Live, Messages, Wallet, More, and Profile. When you go to your Arena wallet, you will be able to see the various tokens or coins that you have acquired. Note: you have to make sure you have enough AVAX in your Arena wallet whenever you are tipping or sending tokens to any crypto wallet. You also have to make sure you have enough AVAX in your crypto wallet when you are swapping the coins, which will be shown here shortly in this video. To send tokens to your crypto wallet, at the top of the Arena wallet, you want to click on Withdraw. In your crypto wallet, click the option to copy your wallet address, and in the Arena wallet under the Withdraw option, you will see the balance reflecting how much you have in the token that is selected in the first section, which is a drop-down menu, and this menu is the list of tokens that you have in your wallet, and this section is also the section where you choose the token you want to send to your crypto wallet. The second section is where you will enter the wallet address, and the third section is where you enter how much of the token you want to send to the wallet address. Once you have chosen the token you want to send, and you've entered the wallet address and the amount, click Withdraw at the bottom highlighted in orange. You will see a green notification at the top of the Arena screen saying that your withdrawal was successful. Note: I strongly advise refreshing your web browser because sometimes you will get the green notification at the top of the Arena screen saying that your withdrawal was successful when it actually wasn't. One of the many glitches they are working out. After refreshing your screen, check your Arena wallet to see if the overall balance of the token you sent to your crypto wallet has decreased, and also check your crypto wallet to see if the token has made it to your wallet. You can never be too safe. Once you have confirmed the transaction has went through, just wash, rinse, and repeat. When you are ready to swap tokens into AVAX, make sure you have enough AVAX in your crypto wallet, and if you do, proceed to select the swap option. Under the swap section, the first drop down is where you choose the token you want to exchange or swap from, and the bottom section is where you will select the token or currency you want to exchange or swap to. For example, you can swap AVAX into USD currency, or in this example, we're going to first swap WINK into AVAX. To the right of the token that you want to swap from, you will see the number 0, and this is where you can enter a specific amount to swap. If you want to swap the entire amount, then you will click where it says max, and for this tutorial, I will be choosing max. The arrow in the middle pointing down is only used to switch the entire transaction from top to bottom, and don't do that. As you see in the video, the system will automatically calculate how much AVAX you will get for the amount of the token you are swapping into AVAX. So in this example, we're going to be swapping WINK into AVAX, and it's automatically going to calculate how much we're going to get. You will also see at the very bottom the quote rate broken down, and below it the estimated gas fee, aka transaction fee, that it will take to swap the tokens. Be aware that if you are not happy with the gas fee, you have the option to seek another quote. But fair warning, doing this can result in getting a higher gas fee, but not guaranteed, so just be careful. Also, be aware that you only get about 30 seconds to agree to the transaction before the system resets and generates a new gas fee and a new quote rate. Why? Because the price of crypto is literally changing every 60 seconds. So only swap tokens if you are ready to click swap right then and there. Don't be trying to cook dinner or tend to your children while swapping cryptocurrency. Once you are okay with everything, click swap at the bottom highlighted in blue. Once your transaction is completed, you will receive a message letting you know it went through. You can view this transaction via Snowtrace.io, which is a blockchain explorer developed for the Avalanche network designed to provide users with real-time data on transactions, blocks, validators, and other essential blockchain metrics. You can also create a new swap if you want to wash, rinse, and repeat. For this video, I'm going to click close so we can view our completed transaction. In the video, we're going to swap one more token for practice. Notice that I received a high cost warning message that reads, and I quote, "You'll pay more than 35% of your starting amount in fees. Check your receiving amount in network fees." This simply means that I will be paying more in gas fees than what I'm going to be receiving in AVAX. I normally would not complete the transaction because I am losing currency. However, for this demonstration, I'm going to continue with the transaction so we can see what happens. But I strongly advise to never swap tokens if you get this high cost warning message. It is not worth it, and you might as well just hold on to the token until you have more than enough to swap and not get the high cost warning message. Reminder: the information provided and what is demonstrated in this video is not financial advice. It is just a demonstration on how to swap tokens from the arena into AVAX. Now, let's send the AVAX back to the Arena wallet. And to do this, just simply go to your Arena wallet. And at the top to the left of the withdraw option, you will see the word or button that says deposit. Click deposit, and the deposit box will open up, giving you the option to scan the QR code or to copy your Arena wallet address. In my opinion, it is easier to copy the Arena wallet address and then go back to your MetaMask wallet or your crypto wallet and choose the send option. At the top, you will see that the from section is automatically populated with your crypto wallet address, and the to section is right below it and left blank for you to add your Arena wallet address or whatever wallet address you are sending crypto to. For this demonstration, again, I'm going to choose max, and when you are sure that you want to continue with the transaction, click continue in blue, and on the following screen, you will be able to review your transaction before confirming it. If you are okay with the network fees, aka the gas fees, then click continue. Once you see that the transaction has went through via your crypto wallet, return to the Arena wallet and refresh your screen. you will see that the token or coins are now in your crypto wallet. I hope this video will help everyone swap Arena tokens into AVAX. If you have any questions or concerns about this video, please do not hesitate to leave a comment or send me a message via Twitter on X at JusticeMr420. If you're watching this on YouTube, and if you found this video to be helpful, please make sure you like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell for notifications on when I release new videos. Stay tuned for the next video on where I demonstrate how to stake the Arena token coin.